What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I did go grab some value mesh so we can just make a couple of petals and see what it looks like. So y'all, value mesh is basically the absolute cheapest deco mesh that you can get. It is well known for fraying. Like if you just barely touch the edge, it frays. Okay? So, what I said on the previous video was, I think that the ruffle that I used on the board, you would be able to use cheap mesh. So, that person was very mad that I said they could use cheap mesh. So let's just see if it works or not. So we're gonna use the same ruffle, 18 inches. So 18. Y'all, and who knows, this could fail completely. But I don't want people to go buy value mesh and then try to make one and it not work. So because I said to do it, let me actually see if we can do it. So the board's already loaded, ready to go. Someone should sell these already loaded, just so we're aware. There's a whole market in the industry for that. All right, so same technique. We're gonna take our mesh, we're gonna roll our ends, tuck them in, then we're gonna just ruffle them down the center, fold it over, and then we're gonna add this piece right back into the zip tie. All right. I mean, so far, it made a ruffle. Y'all, I'm pretty sure my assumption that you can use value mesh is gonna be just fine. Y'all, let me tighten these and then do the ones between so we can see if it layers correctly. So this is a small board and this is a 18-inch cut. So y'all, normally I would go all the way around the board. Well, I've only done 4. But in the 4 that I've made, I've gone all the way around first. But I just wanted to try this little triangle to see how it was gonna cover with the value mesh. Yeah, someone got mad and said that you should never use value mesh and gave me a whole lecture. Like, I don't know mesh. So I just wanted to come make sure that the value mesh would be fine. And y'all, it appears that with the method that I just did on the other wreath, that you could totally just use value mesh. Y'all, I gotta cut some more. Y'all, I did a pretty good job of just tightening these right the first time. So if you didn't catch the first live, we're basically taking the ruffle technique that I use on my regular wreaths, where we curl in the two edges, right? We curl in the two edges to hide the cuts, and then we just crunch it down the middle. And we have our little bow tie pasta. Now all we're doing is flipping our bow tie pasta all to one side. And then we're gonna slide this into our zip tie. All right, so I did cut the mesh at 18 inches. And this is a small Unique in the Creek board. You can get them on DecoExchange. Just put in UITC in the search bar and everything will show up. All right, we made it around round 2. What is this method called? Ruffle method. All right, y'all, I think we have to have the 8 in the center on this one. Y'all, getting the ones in the center is a little bit harder. So I'm gonna say the value mesh works just fine. So y'all, this is a wooden stick. Okay, now this one is thick enough that I can probably just staple. So if this was really thin, I would probably not staple. I would use the little mounts. Get it nice and twisted. Y'all, I added hot glue on top of that staple because we definitely want to make sure that the little heart doesn't fall off. Now I'm just trying to get the pipe cleaner to go through the little holes that are already there. All right, y'all, I'm out. Have a good night. Bye, y'all.